In this lesson, we will create our next project. We are building a forum site from scratch that caters to guitar enthusiasts worldwide. Step 1 is to install Drupal. As you can see on the screen, I am starting with a clean and fresh installation of Drupal 8.2.6, and included with this section is a text file that gives step-by-step design on how to recreate this guitar forum project, and also all the images and other resources that you can use. Step 2 is to configure the logo image, favicon, and the site name. Go to the admin menu appearance link, the settings tab, scroll down if you want to the logo image and set it to our new image. Do the same with the favicon. You can of course download all these resources from the course. Save and return back to the site. Excellent. Notice the favicon here. It is a tiny guitar pick suitable for our site. And also notice the logo image itself has the site name Worldwide Guitar Forum. And so this means that I don't have to repeat this message in the actual site name area. We'll set that now. Go to the admin menu configuration link and then the basic site settings. Change the site name to a global community of guitar lovers. This will be behaving like a slogan now, and nothing else to change on this page for now. We will come back later to set the front page path after creating the forum. Save and return back to the site when you are done. And now the header is looking perfect. Our next step 3 will be to change the color branding of the site. Go to the appearance admin menu link, and here notice that Bartik is our default theme. We will not change the theme now, just the color combination. Click on the settings link for the particular theme. All you have to do here is change this color set from the default Blue Lagoon to this Firehouse. Keep an eye on the preview. This is going to very nicely match our logo image. Again, observe the live preview feature. There's nothing else to change on this page. When you are done, scroll down, click the Save Configuration button, and then return back to the site. Okay, beautiful. The welcome message is still present, but not to worry, that will go away when we configure the front page. Now we are moving on to step 4. This will be very interesting. We will install the forum module now that is packaged inside the Drupal core. The forum module is already installed, but it is not enabled and we have to do it manually. Go to the admin menu, extend the link. When the page opens, scroll down until you find the forum module. Turn on the checkbox, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the install button. Notice this is, you're not actually installing, it's already installed, you're just enabling it now. Automatic installation scripts will kick in when you click the button, and after a moment or so, you will get this success message. Forum module has now been enabled. You have just extended the functionality of your site with the click of a button. Let me head back to the site. To give you a deep understanding of what happens behind the screens, in this next step 5, let's see what all happens to our Drupal code after forum module installation. Firstly, a new content type will be created automatically. That is the forum topic. A forum topic starts a new discussion thread within a forum. Remember, only article and basic page comes out of the box. This forum topic content type has been newly created. The second change that happens is Under Structure admin menu, a brand new Forums option link will be created. And this you can use to control the forum hierarchy settings. Open it and you can see that a new forum has been automatically created and it's called as a general discussion. This is done automatically. And here you can see a new settings tab has been created and you have different options here for hot topics threshold, topics per page and the default order. There is no need to change any of these for now. Let's move on. Open the people admin menu and in this permissions tab, scroll down, new permissions will be created. This is newly created forum administer forums. And if you scroll down even in the node section, you can see several new permissions have been created. In fact, 8 new forum topic permissions have been created. So this was a very quick recap of all the changes that happened automatically after installing the forum module. Let's return back to our site building. We are on step number 6, and that will be to design the structure of your forum. And that you can guess is going to come from the structure menu link and the forums link. You will remember that containers will hold forums and forums will hold topics. Containers are optional, of course, but it is a very good practice to define containers if you are planning a big site. I am now going to create several containers from the add container button. The process is very straightforward. You can find the container names and descriptions what I am creating from the downloadable resources file. I am going to edit the video to keep it short. I'm going to create a few containers now. Once you are finished creating all the containers, you can change the order visually. Adjust the order if you want and don't forget to save when you are finished. So let me head back to the site. Moving on to step 7, we will finally create the front page. Notice that the forum does not show on the front page. In this tools block, a new link has been automatically created for the forums. Just open it. And this is the page that we want for our front page. Notice the URL. It has a /forum at the end, and that is what we want. Click on this configuration admin menu and once again return back to this basic site settings page. And in this front page section, for the default front page text box, give /forum, and that is what we want. And when you are done, click the save configuration button, return back to the site. And fantastic, our site homepage will open with this forum that we just created now. You can see all the containers and forums that we had earlier created. Just notice the URL for each of the container and forums. Optionally, if we want, using these URLs, you can very easily create new links in the navigation menu that will lead directly into these forums. It is just an usability and convenience feature that you can provide to your visitors. And with that, I will end this lesson here. In this lesson, we started with a fresh Drupal installation. We set up the site basics. We did some color branding, and then we enabled the forum module. Then we went ahead and created the actual usable containers and forums for our site. And that is where our visitors will create topics and discuss guitars to their heart's content. In the next lesson, we will create new roles, define permissions, and thus create workflows. That is the real meat of the project. In the meantime, I am going to add some more content to the site, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.